Late nights, empty bottles on the floor. Memories I can't take anymore. Heart heavy, mind spinning out of line, searching for a peace I can't find. Then I hear you whisper through the pain, a gentle call like summer rain. Whiskey tears, holy fears, God, you've been with me through the years, lifting me when I can't stand, holding me in your mighty hand. I walk through shadows, walk through doubt. Every prayer I prayed, you heard me out. Fallen roads, bridges burned behind. Still your mercy never left me blind. Your light broke through like the morning sun, showed me your grace, what you've done. Whiskey tears, holy fears, God, you've been with me through the years, lifting me when I can't stand, holding me in your mighty hand. Traded my pain for your peace. Chains are gone, my soul released. Every night I cried alone, now I'm standing in your home. Whiskey tears, holy fears, God, you've been with me through the years.